left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
But I need to make recordings of all of it because I want the whole true story. You know, our screw-ups, our success, our bad days, our maybe being stupid coming here. You know, I don't know. But I'm recording it, and that's all I can do because that's what I can control. I can control the camera. Alright, I better go check on Brad and make sure he's not flipping out. We are at a service center trying to get our bus diagnosed. They were nice enough to let us stay in here with our animals while we wait. Everyone's being good girls. You're being good girls. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Noelle's doing school. Brad's taking a nap.
So, word on the bus.
Word on the street.
Word on the street is that our inverter is shot.
Which we knew 2 weeks ago, but...
Yeah, but after
$1,000.
7 hours of labor, we figured out that the inverter is completely shot, broken.
Like we knew 2 weeks ago.
Way bad. So we have to order a new one.
Mm-hmm.
We knew that too. And so we placed one on order. It's not going to be in until the end of the week, until Friday. So we had to rearrange our plans with RV campgrounds, RV parks,
right.
campgrounds, and change around so we're able to stay put until the new inverter comes in and can be put in.
Correct.
But good news is the warranty that we have for the bus should be able to cover
we don't know that
the
yet.
expense of the inverter and labor.
We did it the right way. We called the warranty. We haven't used them before. We called them and said we just brought the bus in. We think it's the inverter, but you know they're going to verify. What do we do? They said that you did it the right way. A lot of people don't call till after the work's being done, and they said always call before. Make sure you put that. You don't start the claim yet, but they take notes in the system that you're having issues. So that's step one. She said good job on that. Then you have the service company or the tech call with your account number, and they start the claim once they find out what the problem was. We followed up with them today, the next morning, and they said that, what did they tell you about the update for us?
They said that the guy came in this morning, wrote all his notes, and was ordering all the new parts for us. Should be in by the end of the week. By midday Friday, hopefully, and they'll be able to get us in hopefully either midday Friday or Saturday to at least start the work. If not, we might be on Monday for a couple more days. So that's why we went ahead and extended where we are now currently and pushed back the next spot.
Okay, so let's see. The latest and greatest have been we brought the RV back to the service center in South Carolina, near Charleston, because they got the Victron inverter in. So they are replacing our Magnum inverter that was broken with the new inverter. And then when all the work is done and they know how long it takes, then everything's going to go through the warranty today. Because that's what they're telling us. We've been here probably about 3-4 hours now, and still working on it, so it has me a little antsy because usually changing the inverter is like an hour long maybe to change everything out, and they're still working on it. So I don't know. The nice thing is we kept Kylie, our kitty, in the RV. They have the AC on and it all plugged up while they're working on it, so when the power goes out it's only out for a little bit of time. So we'll be keeping an eye on the waggle. Update. Although the inverter is still not all the way put in or tested, that they talked to Compass, our warranty company, and they were only willing to put out $1,900 of the cost of the whole thing. and that the labor should only have been X amount of money, and somehow we already paid over $1,000 on Friday for them to do diagnostics and test that the inverter was the problem, even though we drove here telling them the inverter was the problem. We're now almost 7 hours in on Tuesday just to put the inverter in. So I understand you want to milk your hours, you want to make your money, whatever, but we're getting hammered left and right from every angle right now. So we have an inverter, we still don't even know if it works yet because the work's not done. We owe another $1,000 or so after the $1,000 we paid, and this is after going through the warranty. So I just had to record real quick because I just want to break down and cry. I'm at a complete loss right now of how screwed I feel in every possible way. So I don't know. I feel that this place, although I feel like they rushed and brought us in and took care of us, that they've been milking the clock so badly, thinking they could get some money from insurance, get some money from us, get a little bit more money from us because we're in a bad situation. I think they took advantage. Although coming across like, yeah, we'll get you in, and then now, but we're gonna really, make you pay thousands and thousands for a new inverter that we could have watched on YouTube and done ourselves, or paid a mobile tech for an hour to do. But we wanted to trust like a place. Now I don't trust anything or anyone. So we just pulled back into the RV park from for our service. Last time I recorded, I was having a total meltdown because we were going to owe thousands and thousands of dollars after the warranty put in their money, and the service place ended up working with us on the cost with how many man hours and labor it was. So we ended up not owing as much, which is a positive. So I'm okay with how it all went down. See, like, these moments are amazing, aren't they? Like, look how cute this is. This is the coolest thing. Look how happy they are. Mom's like, okay, I want some too. Look at the babies. Look how fuzzy and cute they are. Whoop. Whoop.
Whatever you did scared the mom away.
Well, now where do the babies go?
I know, right?
They're like, Mom. Oh, they don't know what to do.
Looks like, oh, they're yours now.
Oh, they're gonna start following you. See if you can walk them to their mom. Oh, they're like, Mom,
They're
where
crying.
are you? Oh, I bet Noelle's gonna feel so bad. Look. Oh, you're just gonna let him go with the stranger? Oh, she's walking through.
No. Okay, what not to do in RV life.